So around 2011, Invibio decided to invest in joint replacements. And we looked at the market to try and understand what was the best opportunity for us, but also the biggest challenge for us. And it happened that the best opportunity and the biggest challenge was for total knee replacement. In total knee replacement, the biggest challenge is replacing the metal component that is on the femoral side, and as that bears on the polymer of the tibial component, we can end up with wear debris getting generated in the joint space. So that's a significant technical challenge for us. It's also the biggest obstacle to success. The opportunity for us was to go for metal free as one of our key objectives for the technology. Going metal free, we have to go completely metal free, and again, the femur to the tibia, the wear in that becomes the biggest technical challenge. If we couldn't do that, then the proposition doesn't really stack up as a solution. So we partnered with Max Orthopedics in 2011, and we started development of their Freedom Total Knee system to convert it over into PEEK. That's 32 components, a fairly major challenge for a business that had never been involved in that kind of space before. The clinical experts, the technical experts, all of these guys have been involved intensively in establishing the solution to all of the technical problems that have been raised along our development journey. But eventually, in 2019, these parts were released into the first patient for clinical investigation. Max now is conducting the clinical investigation for these PEEK knees. The investigation will run probably for around 2 years, and then we will make decisions with Max about release of the product to market. The patient that has received, or the patients that have received their first knees, are performing well, and we don't see any problems being reported back from any of the centres that are doing the study.